day friends, and welcome to another short video in our series on core skills for project managers and engineers. And in this video we're going to be discussing the topic of teamwork, and this is very relevant for any engineer or project manager because it is highly unlikely that you will ever be working alone. Chances are you will always be part of a team. So this topic of teamwork we will be tackling once again by looking at what it is, why do you need to be aware of it, and how do you do it. So what is a team? Well, a team is a group of individuals working together to achieve a specific goal, as opposed to a group who is just a collection of individuals who coordinate their own activities and their own actions. So why is teamwork important? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but let me just quickly highlight 5. Firstly, like Ken Blanchard's famous quote reads, "None of us is as smart as all of us." So teams are important because the more individuals, the more ideas, the more brains, the more intelligence. Secondly, the greater the problem, the bigger the need for a team approach, because no single individual will have all the answers or all the experience. So the greater the challenge, the greater the need for a team approach. Thirdly, teamwork is important because it actually reduces the dependence upon a single individual. A team approach actually creates systemic resilience and it actually increases redundancy. Fourthly, teamwork actually leverages off the individual strengths of the individuals, and therefore you get a synergistic outcome. And lastly, teamwork is just more fun than doing it alone. So a team is a great place to learn and to just enjoy your life's work. So how do you build a great team? And how do you get great teams to achieve great things? Well, there's a lot of answers out there, but once again, allow me just 6 simple tips for you. The first tip that I would suggest is be clear on the goal that the team needs to achieve. Be clear on the reason why you are here. Why do we need to do what we need to do? What is our collective goal? Secondly, when you get the team together or during the process of the teamwork, be very mindful of where you are in the stages of team formation. Are you forming? Are you norming? Are you storming? Are you performing? Or are you adjourning? So be very mindful where you are and the challenges that you're going to face in that growth process. Thirdly, make sure that you know and understand the various individual strengths of your team members so that you can best apply them in the team context. In other words, get the right people on the right seats. Fourthly, I would say be clear on your house rules. Get together and agree on the philosophy for the team. What are we going to allow and what are we not going to allow? So that everyone is clear what are the rules for this team. And then I would also suggest that one of the rules be, and that's another tip, to be generous with information sharing, be transparent and inclusive. Why? Because selfishness is a team killer. And lastly, I would suggest that you be very clear on the scoreboard. Yes, be clear on the goal, but be very clear on the metric. What is it that we're going to measure? And what is the current score for that? These are just some of the tips that will help you create and foster a great team. So there you go. That concludes our short video on teamwork. Should you want to know a little bit more, we suggest reading this great resource from John Maxwell, The 17 Indispensable Laws of Teamwork. A great read which will help you learn a lot of things when it comes to teamwork. And we look forward to seeing you again in our next video, where we will be exploring some more core skills for project managers and engineers. Cheers, see you again.